increase. Anderson's.
This is a message from Transport Scotland for users of the Central Scotland Motorway Network. The M74 completion scheme, which will bring real benefits for motorists, opens the traffic on Tuesday the 28th of June. Drivers are asked to take care and pay attention to the signage, especially when joining and leaving the new section of motorway. Drivers intending to use the new motorway should visit the M74 completion website for more information. Just search M74 completion.
Looking for a great family day out this summer? Centre with interactive exhibits and the chance to see Europe's largest wind farm up close. It's fantastic fun for the whole family and entry is free. Plus Whiteley is surrounded by miles of walking and cycling tracks, so bring your bikes and boots and make a real day of it. Whiteley Wind Farm, just 20 minutes from Glasgow off Junction 6 of the M77. For more info,